Nchedo. When I walk through the valley, you walk beside me. When the night becomes dark, your light surrounds me. When I cannot see tomorrow, your hand holds me. Igbo Nchedo. Igbo Nchedo. Every morning when I wake up, I remember I am blessed. For the one who never sleeps, he's the one who gives me rest. When I leave my home each morning, I place my journey in your hands. Go before me, walk beside me, guide my steps across the land. When the road becomes uncertain, be the light before my feet. When the storms begin to gather, be the shelter where I stand. I don't trust in my own power, I don't lean upon my strength. I depend upon your mercy, for your love surrounds me always. You are my refuge,
you are my fortress.
Underneath your mighty wings, my soul has found its rest. When I sleep,
you watch over me.
Everywhere I go,
your presence goes before me.
You are my shield forever. When the night is filled with darkness, I will not be afraid. For your presence is my covering, and your mercy is my shade. When I travel through the highways, when I cross the open sea, let your angels watch around me, let your hand remain on me. When I walk into the unknown, you are running all the way. Every step I take tomorrow is already in your hands. You have kept me through the seasons, you have brought me safely through. So I lift my voice in worship, for there is no God like you. You are my shelter, you are my strong tower. You are the one who watches over me. I will never walk alone.
I will never walk alone.
I will not fear the coming morning, I will not fear the coming night. For the God who holds tomorrow is the God who gives me light. When I walk through life's deep waters, you will never let me drown. When I climb the highest mountain, your strong hand will hold me firm. My family and my future, I surrender all to you. you see.
When I cannot stand,
You hold me.
when I don't know the way,
You lead me.
when I am afraid,
You give me peace. I don't have to understand everything. I only have to trust you. Because the God who kept me yesterday will keep me tomorrow.
there were moments,
I didn't know what would happen next.
there were roads,
I was afraid to walk
there were nights.
when all I could do was pray. But somehow you carried me through.
I look back now,
And I see your hand. Places I